In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull News Feed. First, open Webull Desktop or the Webull web platform and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. The interface can look slightly different depending on your screen size and any layout changes you've made before, but the steps are the same. Take a second to let the platform load completely so the data panels populate smoothly. Next, head to either the Stocks tab or the Market tab. You'll usually find these along the top navigation or the left sidebar. The Stocks tab is great when you're focused on individual tickers, while the Market tab gives you a broader view of what's happening across the market. Either place is fine for accessing news, so choose the one that matches what you want to explore right now. Now, look for a section labeled News. In many default layouts, there's a dedicated news panel that lists headlines from well-known financial sources. It may sit on the right side of your screen or along the bottom, and it often updates in real time. You'll typically see the headline, the source, and a timestamp. If your window is narrow, the panel might be collapsed or tucked behind a tab, so give the layout a quick scan. You're looking for the word News or an icon that clearly indicates news headlines. As you browse the list, pay attention to timing and sources. Recent headlines can help you understand sudden price moves, while familiar outlets can provide quick context. When a headline catches your eye, click it to read the details. The full story will open inside Webull, usually in a reading pane or a pop-out window, so you don't have to leave the platform. You can scroll through the text, look for key takeaways like earnings figures or guidance updates, and note any mentions of broader market themes that might affect related stocks or sectors. When you're done with an article, close it or navigate back to the headlines to keep scanning. If you're on the Stocks tab for a specific ticker, the News panel will typically prioritize stories tied to that company, which is helpful when you're researching before placing a trade. On the Market tab, you'll see a wider mix of market-moving stories that can shape overall sentiment. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Stocks or Market, find the news section, and click the headlines you want to explore. With a little practice, the Webull News Feed becomes a fast, reliable way to stay informed while you trade.